Oh, way they go, Wheel of Destiny from the outside, moving up by the Relish Queen Sprayer alongside his Bringer of Rain, Queen Sprayer down on the inside, Pure Joy rising up, Be My Queen. Wheel of Destiny racing in peep in between runners alongside his Beyond Good, Divine Power, Good Humor. May bukas pa, Headline Chaser. It's now the favorite Queen Sprayer via length and a half, followed by Bringer of Rain in second. Wheel of Destiny racing in third by about 5 lengths alongside his Be My Queen. Another far turn, Queen Sprayer via length and a half, followed by Bringer of Rain. And on the outside, third by the rallies, Wheel of Destiny, Be My Queen. As they raise the last 450, Queen Sprayer by Hapaland, followed by Bringer of Rain on the outside, Wheel of Destiny down on the inside as they raise the last 200. Queen Sprayer, Wheel of Destiny running by the row and Be My Queen. It's now Wheel of Destiny, Be My Queen on the outside. Be My Queen, Wheel of Destiny down on the inside and nearing the finish line. Be My Queen. Wheel of Destiny, Bringer of Rain, close, Divine Power, Queen Sprayer for your Pentafecta. Then comes Beyond Good, Good Humor, May bukas pa, Headline.